Happy sunny Sunday from Stockholm, and Chris is on another beach adventure exploring the beautiful secluded beaches in Stockholm region. And on this one I am for the very first time. I might have passed by in the past, but have never actually stopped to take a swim here. And on this day, where we have winds coming from west, is it? I'm not really sure. It says southwest, high wind, so I opted for this one as it seems a bit more steady. And I was actually in Gålö last Sunday also, but closer to the public beach. To this spot I walked around 25 minutes from the bus, which is 845. That is from Haninge. To there you can get with the commuter train. And I was actually on my way to my hidden secret beach on the other end. That's actually Pebble Beach, but I'm thinking it's gonna be windy over there, so as I'm gonna be swimming a lot, and this sounds more perfect because here there are less boats passing by, so I can swim better. While on that secret beach there are many boats passing by and they are bringing lots of waves. And I can see Dalaro from here also as well, and some ferry actually that goes from there as well. Now, yeah, it is beach number 117 on my Sweden beach adventures. It is 9th of August, and currently it is 20 degrees Celsius in the air, but it might be also warmer later today. I'm trying to move my backpack because it seems that if a bigger boat comes, the waves will make it wet, so I'm taking precaution for it. And I also have some plums with me that I need to eat. I have put them under shadow for now. And yes, what I was saying, let's check the temperature here in the water. And here there are so many spots to get into the water, which is amazing and which I love it. So let's check it out while I'll show you more of this beautiful nature and spontaneous nude beach spot also, of course. The water feels a bit cool. Yesterday it was, oh, a jellyfish also. I just spotted several jellyfish in the water, but here they are harmless, so they don't have any stinging material. Okay, let's see what we are dealing with. 17 degrees Celsius, so slightly warmer than Värmdö yesterday, where the water was impeccable. I have been swimming for 1 hour in total, and it was a bit different type of setup of the rocks, but still amazing. Okay, let's not wait any longer. Let's hit the waters, inspect the terrain, because later I'm going to be swimming a lot more. It said it's going to be 24 degrees, but actually I think that is for Stockholm city and the concrete jungle, where there is no circulation of air. Here on the sea it's always colder, and which is amazing to enjoy on a very hot day. I expected to see more cars in the Gålö, closer to the public beach, but not so many people. It seems that people have given up on summer. Okay, so ready, set, and go! I almost put my head in a jellyfish. They are also a bit invisible. Luckily they are harmless. And yes, my beach spot for today, all alone in this rocky formation out on the sea in Haninge. This is Gålö Havtornsudd, quite big. To circle around the toe it will take you 1 hour actually. Now I have taken this side, so it's a bit more beautiful. So yeah, now it's time for Chris to swim a bit more here in the sea. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. Yeah.